Hello, this is Rico from LaserDelta. We are a professional laser manufacturer since 2008, and we are manufacturing laser machines, laser marking machines, laser cutting machines, and laser welding machines. Today we are going to introduce to our factory. This is our precision laser cutting machine. We manufacture different size of laser machines, laser cutting machines for jewelry cutting, for PCB board cutting, and you can manufacture different laser powder to meet with your requirements. Okay, let's go to the second floor. This is our galvo scanner workshop. This is the production workshop of our laser marking machines and laser welding machines. Our laser marking machine, and this is the customized laser marking machines production line. We can provide custom customized solution to our customers and project. And here's the laser welding machines. We can provide different solution of the machines to customers. We can choose different models. This is the assembly line of our standard fiber laser cutting machines, CO2 laser cutting machines, and UV laser cutting machines. And this is the assembly line of our fiber marking machines. This is our testing room. They have very strict instruction for the testing processing, and we will at least test the machine 24 hours before leaving the batteries. And this is our warehouse with huge usage of the laser equipment parts, so that we can provide our customer very competitive price to the laser equipment parts. This is a platform fiber laser welding machines production line. And finally, we come to our sample rooms. We have a lot of sample machines. We have fiber, PPE, CO2 laser marking machines. We have robot welding, and home welding, and also marking on the fly. You can just send us your materials and marking tools or welding equipment with our requirements, so that I can get 3 samples for you.